From streets to spotlight, Anonymouse reveals itself in Lund exhibition. For nearly a decade, the Swedish street art duo known as Anonymouse has charmed the public with tiny, mouse-sized scenes hidden in city streets. From miniature cafes to amusement parks, their whimsical installations have delighted passers-by without ever revealing who created them. In July 2025, Ellen Westerholm and Lupus Nessen stepped into the spotlight with a new exhibition at the Skissernas Museum in Lund. Featuring over 50 handcrafted pieces, including a neon-lit arcade and a miniature theatre, the show reveals not only their work but also the creative process behind it. The exhibition also marks the official end of the Anonymouse project. The pair explained that unveiling their identities felt right as the street phase of the project came to a close. What began as secret interventions in public spaces has become a celebrated chapter in Sweden's modern art story. It is now preserved indoors, but still sparks delight and imagination.